These pictures of Trayvon Martin, an autopsy, and witness statements all add to the facts of the case, as do these images of injuries to George Zimmerman, the Neighborhood Watch volunteer accused of second-degree murder. While the case is now murkier, a former prosecutor, Scott Sunby, thinks prosecutors still have a case against Zimmerman.
I think the second-degree murder charge was always going to be a challenge for the prosecution because of the state of mind which they have to show to convict George Zimmerman. But so far, there's nothing that rules it out. I mean, I think the main focus is going to be on whether or not he was acting in self-defense, and that's where the evidence is still very much a jump ball.
Sunby says both the prosecution and defense can find pieces of the evidence to claim that either Martin or Zimmerman was the aggressor.
There's going to be that in the background from the prosecution's viewpoint of, can we prove this beyond reasonable doubt? At the same time, the defense has to be concerned that there are clearly witnesses out there willing to say that, they saw Zimmerman on top. So there is risk on both sides.
The large public profile of the case and the deep emotions could make it more difficult for a plea. And Sunby says a future hearing on the self-defense claim, which happens before trial, could be decisive. Tony Winton, The Associated Press, Miami.